Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys watched my pregnancy update, my 26-week update, you probably saw I had the same makeup on, the same earrings, the same sweatshirt. I am just too tired now, and it takes too much energy to now go and change and put on a different outfit and change my lip color. Go watch my pregnancy update, you'll understand. I'm just getting a lot more tired and emotional and all of that. So I don't think you guys will mind that I'm wearing the same sweatshirt and the same lipstick and all of that. So I apologize. But I'm going to be doing my first time. I got Boxy Charm. And I ordered them last month. I think I got last month's and this month, so I am super excited to open these up. I've never done like a Boxy Charm before, so this is my first time and I'm excited. I'll make sure to link my 26-week pregnancy update in the description box below, just so if you haven't seen it, you can check it out and yeah, see what's been going on with me. I don't know which ones was last month or which ones is this month, so I'm just gonna get into it. So I opened up this box and it says Hello Charmer. I really like that. I like when people put like detail into their boxes, and then up here it has Boxy Charm and their social media links. So let's see what's in this box. Alright, so it tells you on the back of this card what things that you have gotten. So I got this Cover FX, and this is my first time, I believe, trying a Cover FX product. And let's see what this says. This is regular $38. It is a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for a flawless foundation application. I am very excited to try this. I am definitely in need of a new primer, so I am very excited to try this out. But this is just a blurring primer. I really like that. I love that they give you like full-size stuff too. This is by Pretty Vulgar, and it is a ink gel liner. I'm sorry if you can hear Princess. She's still chewing a bone. If you watch the pregnancy update, I had to give her a bone to keep her quiet. So if you hear her in the background, I apologize. This highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and the water-resistant formula allows for smooth application, and it stays in place all day. And this is regular $24, and this is in the color black. Oh, and I got something underneath too. Something else was hiding, so I got 6 things. Okay, so I got 2 things of brushes. I got, let's see. So this is a 3-piece eye trio. I'm not sure the name. Aesthetica? I don't know. It's Aesthetica. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. I apologize. But it says this trio comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush, which I could use the eyeliner brush for the gel liner. A convenient 3-in-1 used for a wide variety of looks, from a wing to a dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined brows. And this trio set right here is regular $45. So I'm very excited. I have a spoolie, but I think it's kind of time to get rid of it. So I'm glad that I have a new one, and I can't wait to use that brush for the eyeliner. So this one right here is called the P12 Face Brush. It's by the same exact brand. This is regular $27. With synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control, the P12 Face Brush is perfect for creating seamless looks. I would use this maybe to contour with, to highlight, to apply a blush. So this right here is by Beauty Creations, and it's a liquid lip gloss. Beauty Creations Matte Liquid Lip Gloss is specially formulated to provide full coverage that desires for a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is long-wearing for effortless lip color that complements all skin tones, and this is regular $10. It's in the color Sweetheart. Oh yeah, that is so pretty. So the last thing is by Purr. I've never tried anything by this brand before, so I'm very excited. This is the Sculpture Palette, a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. This is regular $30. So this is what this looks like. I'm not sure if the contour shades might be a little too dark for my skin. This one right here would probably be good. That is in the color Inventor, but those highlighting shades look gorgeous. Look at those 2 on my fingers right there. Absolutely stunning. So I can't wait to try those out. So that was the first box of BoxyCharm items. So here is our next box. Oh my god, I love BoxyCharm. I love getting stuff in the mail. So it says the same exact thing, Hello Charmer, that all the boxes say that. And then we also have our little BoxyCharm, and I believe this will tell us what's inside. All right, let's get into it. I'm so excited. I love this. So let's do right here. Ooh, Matte Cosmetics. This is the Lip Tensity Lipstick. Ooh, this is a very pretty color. It's definitely a darker color, but it's very, very pretty. That's in the color Burnt Violet. So it says right here, a brilliant formula that pushes the boundaries of color. Each lipstick holds the intense amount of pigment resulting in extreme color, intensity, clarity, and vibrancy. This luxurious gelled base melts on contact, providing fully saturated color with a satin finish in one stroke. This is regular $21. So I love MAC. I have a lot of MAC lipsticks and I'm very excited to try that out. So, ooh, I got an eyeshadow palette from ColourPop. I've never tried any ColourPop colors before. So I love that you can get these boxes in the mail and it can actually help you build your makeup collection and help you, try things that you've never tried before. So just like I've never tried anything from ColourPop, now I have a palette to add to my collection and I can try ColourPop. So I'm going to open this up, and this is the Element of Surprise. So it says right here, get a load of this beauty. The perfect mix of edgy dramatic with a girly twist and bold pops of color. This baby has you covered for the season. Our first palette with all 4 finishes, matte, metallic, satin, and duochrome. Make it so easy to shake up the scene. And this is regular $16. That's really affordable for an eyeshadow palette. And that is gorgeous. Look at those colors in there. Oh my god, I am so excited to try this eyeshadow. I've never tried ColourPop before. So this right here is by Dr. Brandt, I believe it's called. It's Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. This is regular $47. Wow. I'm excited to try this. Like, I need my pores to be more like gone. You know what I'm trying to say? This is called the Brow Gal. Insta-Tint Tinted Brow Gel. Tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. This is also regular $22. So you're really getting your money's worth out of BoxyCharm, which I believe, what is it, $20 a month, I think? And you're getting products in here that are $47, $16, $21, $22, and this right here, which I'll get into, is $15.95. So you're really getting way more than what you pay for, which is amazing. And it builds your collection and helps you try out new products on the market that maybe you haven't tried before that you'll fall in love with and repurchase. So this is called the Jelly Pong Pong. This is an all-over glow luminizing gel. An oil-free, lightweight luminizing gel enriched with micronized pearl scent pigments and jasmine extract to highlight the face for a fresh, radiant complexion. Dab onto cheekbones and brow bones with your ring finger and blend out with a brush. So that is all the products that I got from my 2 Boxy charms. I am very, very happy with my first purchases of Boxy charm. I wasn't expecting this at all, and I was actually scrolling through my YouTube feed and I saw some people doing their Boxy charms, and I was like, I can't open them yet because I really want, you know, to see what's in there. So this was what we just opened up in this box. I mean, you're getting MAC, you're getting Cover FX, you're getting ColourPop, you're getting all these name brands. I have to say, for a person who literally just got Boxy Charm for the first time, I will keep my subscription. I will keep getting this every single month because not only is it helping me build my collection, but it's helping me to try more products, helping me to try more different brands, and helping me to expand, you know, what I love the most, which is beauty. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.